Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, and the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I found this ad on Craigslist Vancouver, British Columbia. That is unbelievable. Now, this was posted 5 days ago, but it's still up on the site. Work in China and start a new adventure. Limited openings. We'll provide 2 weeks of onboard training before you're starting our schools. We'll support you while starting your new career at Electronic Frontiers, or whatever it's called here. I have to scroll down. And we're looking for amazing people to join us in Shanghai, Beijing, and 60 other cities across China, developing your international career with a great salary, competitive benefits package by teaching English with English First. Join over 2,000 teachers across China, and you'll meet people just like you are enjoying the experience of a lifetime while making a difference in the lives of their students. You don't need to have teaching experience or be able to speak Chinese. And then what gets me, they got a little picture of a plane. An experience you will never forget. No, I cannot believe they're running this ad, trying to get people to go to China when no airplanes are flying to China. And I know they put this thing before this Wuhan thing probably broke or paid for it or whatever, and it says apply now. And you get full-time positions, competitive salary, upfront paid flights to main locations, arrival support, free airport pickup, hotel stay, annual flight allowance, salary advance available, legal working, Z visa, travel insurance, orientation, onboarding, TEFL certification, ESL training, free Mandarin Chinese lessons, and career advancement opportunities. You have to have a bachelor's degree, a background check, and ability to work 1 year or later. And this is English First China, and then apply now. But I cannot believe they haven't pulled this ad, giving all the hundreds of videos we're seeing on the coronavirus. I'll post a link, but I was looking for a friend who had been laid off, and I just couldn't believe I found this ad. And it's like an experience you'll never forget. You got that right, folks. I don't know how you'd get to China or why you would even want to go anywhere near China at this point. But it's the most mind-boggling ad I think I've seen in years. Unintentionally mind-boggling. I don't think they had any idea this epidemic would start, or neither did anybody else. But to read this and see that one line, the experience you'll never forget. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. It is nippy and foggy out there. All the kitties are fed, and I'm about to feed my kitties now. And stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe, and I wouldn't apply for the job if I were you until things settle down. I don't know how you'd get there, but I shouldn't be laughing, but this is an unintentionally funny ad, or it struck me as funny. But I can't see droves of people applying for this job anytime soon. I wouldn't if I were, qualified and wanted to do teaching. I wouldn't go 50 miles, 500 miles, 1,000 miles anywhere near China right now if I were younger. Bye-bye for now.